Okay, students, in the last lecture, we have completed complements and two types of complements we have done, r minus 1's complement and r's complement. How to calculate complements we have already learned. And in this lecture, we will be learning subtraction using complements. Using both type of complements, we will be learning subtraction. Okay, students, so first of all, we will be learning subtraction using r's complement and first by using tens complement. These are two numbers in decimal number system. Now we can see that the first number is having 5 digits and second number is having 4 digits. So first step should be to equate the digits in both the numbers.
So we padded a 0 at the leftmost side.
Here, write it like this, right? This is also the same thing. Now negative number I can implement by using the complements. So this is tens complement of 03250. Fine. Now I need to calculate tens complement of this number and then add it in the first number. Okay. So to calculate tens complement, first I need to calculate nines complement. So what is nines complement? Subtract each digit from 9. This is nines complement. Now add 1 to get tens complement. So 7. So this is tens complement of this number. Now add both the numbers 72532 and tens complement of this number, which is 96750. Add these numbers 282961. Okay, so this is the sum. Now I can notice that there is a AND carry generated. This is an AND carry. If there is an AND carry generated, we need to discard the AND carry. So now the final answer will be 69282. You can check it. Subtract these two numbers, you will get this answer. So what we have learned, when I am using r's complement method for subtraction, and if there is an AND carry, discard the AND carry and the remaining sum will be the final answer. Now the next question. Now again, first step must be to equate the digits in both the numbers. So I have padded a 0 here. Now I need to calculate tens complement of this number. Okay, 03250 plus tens complement of 72532. Now calculate tens complement of this number. First of all, subtract each digit from 9 to calculate 9's complement. Now add 1 in it to get tens complement. So this is tens complement of this number. Now add both the numbers 03250 27468. Add these numbers 30718. This is the sum. Now I noticed that there is no AND carry generated. So when there is no AND carry generated using r's complement method for subtraction, then it means that the sum is negative. Okay, when there is no AND carry, that means the sum is negative. अभी लेकिन ये आंसर अभी फेमिलियर फॉर्म में नहीं है, दिस इज इन कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म. Now take tens complement of this number. So first take nines complement. What will be nines complement? 1, 8, 2, 9, 6. So this is the tens complement of this number. Okay. Now because I have taken the complement, so I must put a negative sign here. This is the negative number. So now answer is minus 69282. Right? This must be the answer. This was the positive answer. This must be the negative answer. So what we have learned, when we are dealing in r's complement for the subtraction, and if there is a AND carry generated, then discard that AND carry, and if there is no AND carry generated, that means the result is negative, and whatever result you are getting, take the complement of that number and put a negative sign in front of that number, you will get the final answer. Now coming to the 2's complement method. 2's complement for subtracting two binary numbers. Okay, now here two binary numbers are given, x minus y and y minus x. Fine. So first check both the numbers having the same number of digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so both numbers are having 7 bits, so we need not to pad any zero. So first x minus y, what I can write it? 1010100 minus 2's complement of the second number. I can write it like here this. Now calculate 2's complement of a second number. So what was the trick? From the right, encounter first one and draw a line here. So it must be plus. Okay, now add two numbers. The 2's complement of this, these will be inverted, and this is same, this will remain same. So now add these two numbers. 1 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 and carry 1. Again we have encountered an AND carry. So what we need to do with the AND carry? Discard the AND carry. And the final answer will be 0010001. This is the final answer. Now y minus x part. 10000011 minus 1010100. Okay, how I can write it? First number as it is plus 2's complement of second number. Okay, fine. Now calculate 2's complement. Encounter the first one from here. This is the first one. Draw a line here. Okay. So now add these two numbers. What will be the 2's complement? 0101, 0101 and 100. Add both numbers. 1 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So have you encountered any AND carry? No, there is no AND carry. That means the result is negative. The result is negative and the result is in its 2's complement form. Take its 2's complement, then you will get a result which is looking familiar to you. Okay, 2's complement again. First one encounter, draw a line. 00100 and 1 with a negative sign. Now you need to put a negative sign in front of the result. So this is your final answer. Same as this with a negative sign. Okay, so what is the rule? So the rule says that whenever using R's complement method for subtraction, this is applicable for R's complement method, tens or 2's complement. If AND carry is generated, it tells the result is positive and that AND carry must be discarded. Very important. It must be discarded. If there is no AND carry, then the result is negative and the result is in its complemented form. Which complement form? Whatever complement we are using for the subtraction purpose. जैसे कि पिछले एग्जाम्पल में हमने टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूज किया था फॉर द सब्ट्रैक्शन, दैट मीन्स द रिजल्ट इज इन इट्स टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म. इस एग्जाम्पल में हमने टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड यूज किया है तो दिस रिजल्ट इज इन टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म. सो द रिजल्ट इज नेगेटिव एंड इन इट्स R's complement form. Take its R's complement and put a negative sign in front of the result. So the final result will be negative sign and the R's complement of that sum. Fine. Now moving towards R minus 1's complement method for subtraction. That means we need to use 9's complement or 1's complement. So first we will take 9's complement method. Okay. First one is 72532 minus 3250 and the second one is 3250 minus 72532. Okay. First make the digits equal. Place a 0 here, place a 0 here. Okay, now 5 digits are there in both the numbers. Now what? 72532 plus 9's complement of 03250. We know what is the 9's complement. Subtract each digit from 9. So it will be 96749. Right? Add these numbers. This is the answer. Now, are you encountering an AND carry? Yes, there is an AND carry. Now, the point is, when you are dealing in R minus 1 complement for subtraction, the AND carry must not be discarded, but the AND carry must be added in the result. So this AND carry will be added in the result, and the result will be 28296. This is the final answer. Got it? When you are dealing in R minus 1 complement system for the subtraction, if AND carry is generated, it will tell the result is positive. But the AND carry must not be discarded, but it must be added in the sum. Now, this question, okay, 03250 plus 9's complement of the second number plus 9 complement will be 27467. Add both the numbers, 71703. Now there is no AND carry. So again, the no AND carry means the result is negative. Carry means if AND carry is there, result is positive. If no AND carry is there, the result is negative. This is common for both the complements. There is no AND carry, that means the result is negative, and the result in its complemented form. Which complement? नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमने सेकेंड नंबर का नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिया था, तो रिजल्ट भी नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्म में ही होगा. टेक द नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, take the ninth complement, it will be 28296 with a negative sign. So this is the final answer. This and this with the negative sign. Okay, now moving towards ones complement. We need to calculate x minus y and y minus x, but using ones complement method. Okay, so x minus y we need to calculate. So x is the first number plus ones complement of the second number. Calculating ones complement is very easy. Just invert each bit. So it will be 0, 4 times 1 and 0, 0 plus. So it will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. Have you encountered an AND carry? Yes, there is an AND carry. We need to discard it? No, we need not to discard it. We need to add this AND carry in the sum. Answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. AND carry is added, so this is the final answer. Now moving towards the second example, y minus x. So y is the first number as it is plus ones complement of the second number. So the ones complement of this second number will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, double 1. Invert each bit. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Is there any AND carry? No, there is no AND carry. That means the answer is negative and in its complemented form. Which complement? Ones complement, because we are dealing with ones complement number. Take the ones complement of this number. It will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 with a negative sign. Right? Negative sign must be kept here. So the answer is, final answer is this. So now here the subtraction using complements we have learnt. Now moving towards the sign binary numbers, when we are using paper pencil, so I can put a plus sign in front of 9 or plus sign in front of a binary number or a negative sign in front of a decimal number or a negative sign in front of a binary number. So plus or minus I can check with the sign, but in computers it is not so. In computers everything is stored in the form of bits. So to represent a signed number, there must be a bit assigned to the sign. So there are three methods to represent a signed binary number. Fine. So what are those three methods? First method I told you, to negate a number is to take the complement. तो complement में हमने दो तरह से लिए थे, तो दो तरह से हमने बाइनरी नंबर को नेगेटिव नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया था, टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड। तो टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड से हम पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव दोनों नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। एक मेथड था वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड, तो वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेथड से भी हम पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव बाइनरी नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। एक थर्ड मेथड होता है साइंड मैग्नीट्यूड मेथड। तो टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट हम सीख चुके हैं कि अगर मेरे पास +7 लिखा हुआ है, +7 इज 0 1 1 1, और इसको मुझे -7 बनाना है, दिस इज +7, -7 बनाना है, तो इसका मैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लूंगी, टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, और जो कि मुझे आता है लेना, तो इट विल बी 1 0 0 1। सो दिस इज -7 इन टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट नंबर सिस्टम। अगर 7 मुझे वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट नंबर सिस्टम में दिया है, तो +7 को तो हम वैसे ही लिखेंगे 0 1 1 और इसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले लेंगे टू गेट -7। Coming to the signed magnitude. What is signed magnitude? If I want to write +7, that will be same +7. If I want to write -7, then just change the sign bit. This is the leftmost bit is the sign bit. This is sign. This represents the sign. 0 is for positive, and if I convert this sign bit to 1, and the remaining is the magnitude. Remaining bits are magnitude bits. Magnitude bits must remain same. So what is this? This is -7. So 0 is for positive numbers. So if leftmost bit is 0, the number is positive, and leftmost bit is 1, so the number will be negative. The remaining bits represent the magnitude of the number. Okay. If a computer is working in two's complement number system, then it will recognize only two's complement for all its arithmetic procedures. And if it is working in one's complement, then it will use only one's complement methods for its arithmetic. And for the sign magnitude computer systems, it will use only sign magnitude notation. That means these three notations are very different to each other. And if a computer is working on a particular method, either two's complement or one's complement or sign magnitude, then the other method will be unknown to the computer system. It can work only on one method. Okay. Now this is a table in which +7 to -8, these numbers I have written down in all the three methods for representing signed binary numbers. Okay, +7 +6 to +0, we have already learned these numbers, how to write it. So 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0, these are the numbers in positive zone. Okay, now taking 2's complement of each number to get its negative form. Take 2's complement of 0 0 0 0, you will get 0 0 0 0 again. So there is only 1 0. Fine. Take 2's complement of this number, 1 1 1 1. Take 2's complement of this number, take 2's complement of this number, and so on. +4, 2's complement, you will get -4. So all take 2's complement and you will fill up the table. Now +7, 2's complement is 1 0 0 1. Now there is an extra number, -8 is there. How I calculated it? This is a special case for 2's complement number system. Okay, in 2's complement number system, I have written -8 as 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0, you can say that it is +8 value. How can you say that it is -8? So as this bit is 1, you can check leftmost bit for positive numbers is 0 and the leftmost bit for negative numbers is 1. So 1 0 0 0, if you take 2's complement of this number, you will get the same number again. So 1 0 0 0 is not +8, but it is recognized as -8. Why? because the leftmost bit is 1, negative. This bit is telling this is a negative number. The leftmost bit tells you the sign. Take 2's complement, you will get the same number. Why you are taking 2's complement? To get what is the magnitude of this number. So when you check the magnitude by taking 2's complement, you get 8. So you can tell this is 8 but not plus 8. It is minus 8 because the sign bit is negative. Now coming towards the ones complement number system, these bits are same. Now you can check, take ones complement of 0, you will get 1 1 1 1. That means in ones complement number system there exists two values of 0. One is plus 0, second one is minus 0, which is not so good for a number system to have two values of 0, because 0 is neither positive nor negative, right? So this is a drawback of this number system. Now take one's complement of 1, you will get this number, and further all you can take one's complement to get the negative number. Here you cannot represent minus 8. Write down plus 8 to take one's complement. What will be? 1 1 1 0. 1 1 1 0 is not a negative number, so you cannot represent minus 8 here. So plus 7 to minus 7 only you can represent. Here plus 7 to minus 8. In 2's complement number system, plus 7 to minus 8 till minus 8 you can represent. Okay, in sign magnitude again, these are the positive numbers, and for the negative numbers just change this bit to 1. Remaining magnitude bits will remain same. Here also you get two zeros, which is again a drawback of a number system to have two values of 0. Okay, now if a number contains 4 bits in signed binary number system, then in 2's complement, in 1 complement, and signed magnitude number system, what range of numbers we can represent? Okay, so in 2's complement number system, we can represent plus 7 to minus 8. That means including 0, 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1. In one's complement number system, the number range will be plus 7 to minus 7 including 0. That is 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1. Further, in sign magnitude number system, same as one's complement number system, the range will be plus 7 to minus 7. It is 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1 to minus 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So now in general, the range of number that can be represented by n bit is, in 2's complement, it is 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 raised to the power n minus 1. In one's complement number system, it will be plus 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1. And in sign magnitude number system, it is same as one's complement number system. It is plus 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So in 2's complement number system, there is one extra number we can represent, which is due to there is only one 0. While in one's complement and sign magnitude number system, there are two zeros, positive and negative 0. But in 2's complement number system, there is only one 0. So we can represent one extra number in 2's complement number system. Okay, so we conclude this lecture here, and in the next lecture, we will be learning some binary codes.